This is Flex America's thin stroke letter light. Flex America utilizes special block acrylic manufacturing technology that allows us to make acrylic letters and shapes with an ultra-thin stroke. LED lights are embedded in the letters and shapes with no hot spots. The LEDs can be any color. This style of letter allows for unique design intent, utilizing graceful shapes and curves. The maximum height is 6 feet 6 inches, and the minimum height is 4 inches. The minimum stroke is 3/64ths of an inch. The minimum return is 1 3/16 inches. At minimum height, we use beveled edges to embed LEDs. Letters may be front lit, side lit, back lit, or halo lit. Surface materials for returns may be gold, silver, gray, or any color. Flex America, the answer to your illuminated signage needs.